Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I'm going to show you how I did these dip powder manicure on top of Gel X nails. So if you guys didn't know, you can do dip powder on top of Gel X nails. So I actually already have my Gel X nails already applied in this video. If you would like me to do a secondary video showing me applying the Gel X and then the dip powder, definitely let me know. But I do have a link, will be in the description box, of how to apply Gel X nails. And for this design, I will be using 3 different dip powders from the As Your Beauty Brilliant Galaxy kit. I will leave a link to swatches of that kit down below, but we'll be using 477, 244, and 476. So you're going to apply your Gel X tips as normal and then just buff out the gloss on top, so that way they are matte. And then you're going to go in and do your dip powder as usual. So I'm going to apply a thin layer of number 1, which is our base. You're going to dip your finger into the dip powder of your choice at a 45-degree angle, nice and quick in and out of the powder. And you're going to let it sit for a little bit and then just tap off the excess. So I'm going to do this dark purple glitter on my thumb and my ring finger. And you're just going to repeat the process until you have all of the nails done. So I'm going to do a light mauve on my middle finger and then a medium mauvey pink shade on my pointer and my pinky. Once you have a coat of all of the colors, you're going to go ahead and use your fluffy brush to brush off the excess powders, and you're going to go in and do a second coat with the same steps. So you're going to do a thin coat of the number 1 base, you're going to dip back into that same color that you were doing and continue on for the whole hand. And some of these shades do take 2 to 3 coats. I just went ahead and did 2 coats of all the colors, and I thought they were perfectly fine for me.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding.
So once I have them all colored a second time, I go ahead again, you're going to brush off that excess powder. Then you're going to go in with step number 2, which is the activator. You're going to put a thin coat of the activator on all of the nails. This allows the dip powder to kind of harden into that acrylic.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Once you've let the activator sit about a minute or so, you can go in and buff and file the nails. Make sure everything is shaped up as they need to be. Sometimes as you're dipping, you might get a couple lumps and bumps, so just smooth those out, file them out. Mine were pretty good. I just did a buff all over and then reshape the edges.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep them.
And then I go ahead and cleanse all of the nails with some alcohol just to dust them off. We are going to do a little stamping design. So I'm going to take my Maniology plate. This is M258, which is Imaginary Lines. And I got this in one of my ambassador kits, and I've been dying to use it. So I found the perfect manicure to pull it together. I am going to take the shade Smoke Show for the stamping polish. This was from the Box of Magic. It's like a medium gray smoky color. And then I'm going to use the image of the lady, and then her head kind of turns into butterflies and flowers. So you're gonna pick this up with a stamper as normal, and I wasn't sure if the image was gonna stick onto the dip powder. I thought I might have to do a base or top coat of gel first and then put the stamping on, but the image actually transferred just fine onto the dip powder, so I didn't have to do that extra step. I just held the stamper down a little longer than normal just to make sure that image transferred all the way. And then that's going to be it as far as design. I just really wanted to do the different colors with the dip powder, add that little design. Now we're going to top coat. The dip powder kit does come with its own top coat. However, I am going to use my Super Shiny from Light Elegance because it is stain resistant, and it's a super shiny top coat. I love this one, so I'm going to go ahead and do a coat of that on all of the nails, and then I do go in and do a second coat over the stamped nail. So these are how my nails came out. Now they are quite a bit shorter than what I normally do, but I feel like about once a year I chop my nails. I do short for a little bit and then I go back to the long ones. Sometimes having the long nails 24/7 is just hard. Sometimes you want to break. So this is my break from my long nails, and I am enjoying having the short little nails. I love the combination of these colors that came together, and then with the little image. I thought it came out so cute. And I do want to point out that I did the 2 coats of the dip powder over the Gel X, and they are still really thin. They're not bulky at all. So I actually really enjoyed doing this process over the Gel X tips. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my tutorials. Make sure to subscribe for more coming up very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.